Hello viewer, some users have reported that when they attempted to upload files from their hard drive to their OneDrive account, the upload process does not progress at all. It remains stuck on preparing to upload for hours. So if the OneDrive sync process is stuck on preparing the upload on your Windows, the working solution covered this video will be helpful. First method, pause and resume OneDrive sync. Click on here. Now click to setting and pause syncing for 2 hours. After 1-2 minutes, again click setting and resume syncing. Second method is click on OneDrive icon. Now go to settings, here unlink this PC. Now again open OneDrive. And log in. This solution is also helpful if you want to move OneDrive to new location. Thank you.